just as a photographer envisions a shot in their mind's eye. Before clicking the button, we'd have the ability to visualize our dreams and aspiration before turning them into reality. Think about it, every photograph starts as an idea, a concept, a vision. The photographer may envision a breathtaking landscape, a powerful portrait, or a moment of pure joy and capture that vision through their lens. It is this ability to imagine, to see beyond what is currently in front of them, that allows photographers to create extraordinary works of art. Similarly, we possess an incredible power within ourselves. We have the ability to dream, to envision our desired future, and to manifest those dreams into reality. Just like a photographer frames their shot, we can frame our goals and aspiration with clarity and focus. It is through this visualization process that we begin to make these dreams come to life. But here's the thing, photography has no limits. There are no constraints on what a photographer can capture through their lens. They can photograph the vastness of the universe or the tiniest details of a flower petal. They can freeze a fleeting moment of love, or capture the electrifying energy of a crowd. The possibilities are endless. And in the same way, our potential as human beings has no limits. We have the power to shape our own destinies, to chase our passions, and to achieve greatness. The only limitations we face are the ones we impose upon ourselves. We must break free from the belief that our dreams are unattainable. Instead, we must embrace the limitless potential that resides within us. Bringing our dreams to reality requires action. Just as a photographer must click the shutter to capture their shot, it may be intimidating at times, but we must take that first step towards our goals, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem. Each step builds momentum, propelling us closer to the life we envision. It is important to remember that our journey will not always be smooth. Just as a photographer encounters challenges in capturing the perfect shot, unfavorable lighting, distractions, or unexpected obstacles, we too will face setbacks along our path to success. But it is these challenges that make the end result all the more fulfilling. We must approach setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Like a photographer adjusting their composition or experimenting with different angles, we must adapt, pivot, and refine our approach. Failure is not a destination, but merely a detour on our road to success. Lastly, never forget the power of perseverance and belief in oneself. Every great photograph requires patience, determination, and an unwavering belief in the vision. We must cultivate that same unwavering belief in ourselves and our ability to turn our dreams into a tangible reality. So, my friends, I encourage you to tap into the power within. Envision your dreams as a photographer envisions their shot. Embrace the limitless potential that resides within you, and take action to bring those dreams to life. Let go of self-imposed limitations, and embrace failure as a necessary part of the journey. Just like photography, where the possibilities are endless, our success as humans knows no bounds. Now, go out there and capture the moments that matter, photograph your dreams, and let's bring them to reality together.